Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. When you tell somebody about God, you try to make yourself sound wise and intelligent, or you depend upon the Holy Spirit come through and make the whole thing make sense to this somebody where you talk to. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, now at the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to the Corinthian them, chapter 2, from verse 1 to verse 5. Brother and sister, when me come preach God message to no, when nobody never hear before, me never use no big word or try for sound wise. Cause me did make up my mind. So while me did that, I would know, me would have only preach about Jesus Christ and how them kill him upon the cross. When me did come to know, me did weak and me did afraid, so till me did a tremble. And when me did a teach and a preach, me never use no fancy talk like where the people them would think them wise use. Me never have to do that for make you believe. Cause God's spirit using power for show no. Say all of what me did I say, I choose something. Me preach that way there so that you wouldn't believe just cause people think say when me say wise. But cause you see God power for yourself. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.